the molecule of an object, and a lot of... Why are you late? Sir, bagyo, signal number 5. May bagyo din sa amin, iho. Sit down. Sorry, sir. 50 words essay mamaya, ha? Sus. Napaka-OA nyo. Okay, get one whole. Divide and... Lindol! Sir, Lindol! Wala na.
Wala na po. Wala na, sir.
Okay. Get 1/4. So, divide yung gagawin na...
Sir, ang taas na ng baha.
Okay, everyone. Class, wala pang announcement sa taas, so continue tayo, okay? So, sir, di ko marunong lumangoy.
Imong mama. Okay, let's continue, class.
Okay, sir. The only habitable planet is also...
Sir, may sunog po ata. Oh my God.
Sir, may sunog po ata. Everyone, calm down. Duck, cover, and hold. Okay, sir. Okay, Carbona, can you answer number 5? Relax lang. Calm down, everyone. Sir, hindi ko po alam eh. Hindi.
Opo.
Okay, 0 ka sa akin. Get out. Thank you, sir. Bye.